In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or enable apps to make phone calls on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select privacy and security on the left panel, and then scrolling down underneath app permissions, go ahead and select where it says phone calls. Where it says phone call access, go ahead and toggle that top option on, as well as for the one right below that says let apps make phone calls, and then toggle on whatever apps you want to allow phone calls to be made from, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.